Another tech tip from the world's dirtiest workshop.
When I got these discount turn signals from my parts dealer, I wasn't quite expecting that they would have this much noise. It's been about 5 minutes. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that sit overnight and it'll be fine.
One day later. DA glue is clear. Can you see the bead of glue running across the bottom of the lens?
Okay, so now we gotta try it. So we're gonna put the key in it. Choke on, fuel is on. There we go. Ah, no rattle. Yeah, not rattling now.
Woohoo! Wow!